Okay, hopefully you had a good flight to Bangkok, not too bumpy on the landing. So, when you come out of the arrival doors, go left. As you walk along, you'll notice vendors on your right-hand side where you can grab a cup of tea and a biscuit, or a coffee and donut. Keep walking and take the last escalator before the end of the building. It's about 3/4 of the way down.
Then we go to public transportation.
Ride the escalator to the bottom and go right. The first exit to the outside that you will see is door number 8. There's a big number 8 above the door. Exit here or go to the next door, door number 7. Either one works. After exiting the building, go to your right and look for these aisles for the taxi machines. It's just outside of door number 7. There are 3 lanes, or aisles, to choose from. Short distance, regular sized taxi, and large taxi. That's a big SUV.
Lots of regular taxis.
Walk through the lane and go up to the ticket machine. Tap on the screen and print out a ticket. Your ticket will have the number of the lane that your taxi is parked at. There is also a picture of your driver on the ticket to avoid any confusion. If your driver looks sketchy, just roll again. Hit the button again and get another ticket. Both the regular and large taxis are in the first row of taxis with green number signs above each car. The short distance ones are in the row behind these, not quite as easy to find. Most of the drivers are honest and follow the rules, but there are a few who might try to test your gullibility.
Hello. Crazy.
Tell the driver where you are going. At this point, you can haggle with them. It's okay. They don't mind, as long as you are playful about it. If you are too exhausted for haggling and just want to get on with it, get into the car and make sure the driver turns on the meter. Just say meter. They know what you mean. That's not so hard, is it? It's quite a good system, really. Like most things, it's easier the second time you do it, or if you've watched some silly man's instructional YouTube video beforehand.
You wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning?
If you are going a long distance from the airport, the driver will probably ask you if you want to go on the highway. They may just say, highway? The reason they ask this is because there is a toll for going on the highway. Typically, it is 50 to 70 baht. Sometimes they will ask for this money up front, although not all of them will. Some drivers will just add it to your fare, which you pay when you arrive at your destination. Depending on the time of day you arrive, the highway could save a fair bit of time. Conversely, if you want to see the streets of Bangkok, and you are not in a hurry, taking the regular roads can be quite entertaining and a great introduction into the amazing city you just landed in, Bangkok, the City of Angels. It's always a good idea to have your phone handy during the ride with a Maps app loaded up. Sometimes there is a miscommunication and you end up at the wrong location. Just subtly keep an eye out for where the driver is taking you. This has happened to me on a few occasions. If you nip it in the bud, then there's no foul. Some drivers will try to get a few extra bucks out of you. Not all of them do. The extra baggage fee is a bit of a grey area. It's only about $2, but on principle, if you are against this kind of bullshit, hit back a little bit. Remind them you already paid the driver surcharge. If the driver insists there are extra fees, go to your hotel reception desk and ask them to talk to the driver. They know the deal. If you have chosen a good hotel, they will help you out and tell the driver to smarten up. Take your time. Don't feel pressured. It is only a scammer who will try to make you feel pressured. So, if you feel that, take a moment to breathe and think clearly. Say raw sat crew. It means just a minute or hold on a second. Raw sat crew. Don't react, even if you know someone is trying to pull the wool over your eyes. Be cool, calm. After all, you are on Thai time now. There should be no pressure. Remember WWBD. What would Buddha do?